Hi guys, so let's get started. Let's go to blockchain.com. Okay, we are here. Just gonna accept all cookies, and then we're gonna go to wallet because we're gonna open a blockchain.com wallet. So okay, click on get started. Okay, so let's put in our email address and then password. Gonna re-enter the password. Then you're gonna choose your country of residence. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm gonna choose Nigeria. There it is. So if you have a referral code, you can just put it here and click on continue. You can do this on your mobile phone as well. So account has been created successfully. So it's gonna prompt you to verify your email. So let's do that. I'm gonna click on yes, I confirm this is my email address. Okay, your email has been verified successfully. So it's gonna require you to go back to the first tab. Then here it's asking you to choose between a wallet and an exchange. Okay, so we're gonna go with wallet because that's what we're focusing on right now. And here it is. So you can verify your identity and buy crypto and all that. But first we're gonna finish up the wallet creation process. Yeah, so this is just your blockchain dashboard. You can go to your profile and go to wallet and addresses. So here you can get your addresses for all your for all the coins here. Yeah, so as you can see, you got Bitcoin, you got Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Stellar. So let's continue on to security. And then here you can see we have two more steps to finish up the wallet creation process. We verified our email. We need to enable two-factor authentication, and then we need to get our recovery phrase. That's the most important. So let's enable two-factor authentication. Okay, so there are three options. You can either go with the Authenticator app or YubiKey or mobile phone number. I'm going to go with Authentication app. Okay, so I'm going to quickly scan the QR code with the Authenticator app on my phone and put in the code. I'm going to click on Verify Code. And it's been done. So two-factor authentication has been enabled. So on to the last one, and that's to get our recovery phrase. I'm sure we all know what this means. You should not share this with anyone. It's the private key to your money. So we're going to click on backup funds. Okay, more warning about how you should keep your recovery phrase secured. And here are the first 6 words. So you're going to write this down on a paper. And here are the second 6, so making 12 total. So here it's going to ask you to just put in the 11th word, 3rd word, and so on, just to make sure you've written down your recovery phrase securely. So I'm going to do that. Click on continue. And it's all done. So now your wallet has been successfully backed up. Okay, so I'm going to close this. That's it, guys. So you can now send, receive, trade, buy, just do everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a lovely day.